All right. Hoka, hey. How you doing, sweetie?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. You want to do a live stream?
Do I want to do a live stream? That's a good question. Bling, bling. Oh, hang on, sweetie. We got a call. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. This is Emily speaking. Hee hee, Shamoa. What? Who's this? Hee hee. It's Michael Jackson, silly. Michael Jackson? I thought you were dead. No, that's ignorant. You're not dead? Well, I guess I'm dead. Oh, that's crazy. What's heaven like? It's all right. It's pretty cool, I guess. Yeah. Kind of surprised you made it. Oh, yeah, of course. Don't be silly. That's poopy talk. I mean, I guess there's a lot of fire and brimstone and a lot of gnashing of teeth. I mean, hee. It's not so good sometimes. Yeah, okay. What can I do for you today, Michael? I was wondering what's the Ojibwe word for hee. What's the Ojibwe word for hee? Yeah, no, that's silly. Yeah, it is silly. Listen, man, we're trying to do something here. Okay, well, how do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Oh, well, in Ojibwe, we don't really say goodbye, Michael. We say, Gigawabamin. I will see you again. Well then, Gigawabamin Minawa, Emily. Yeah, you too, buddy. I got hee Shamoa. Michael Jackson, sweetie.
That's insane.
I mean, I do, but I'll be honest with you.
What's that?
I'm kind of discouraged.
Discouraged? About what?
Well, nobody watches our videos.
I mean, these people watching now are watching.
I know, but that's nobody.
Yeah, they are a bunch of nobodies. BOOZHOO, nobodies. No. BOOZHOO, Gawin, Eya. Gawin Eya, nobody.
Is that how you say it?
I don't know. All right, take two. Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the show. My name is Michael Lyons. I'm here with Emily Aubrey.
BOOZHOO, Gakina Awia. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show.
And for today's live stream, it's not really a live stream though, is it?
No, it's a pre-taped live stream.
For today's pre-taped live stream, you know what I thought we should do?
What's that?
Why don't we just play some videos, and in between the songs we can talk about it.
All right. What's the first song you want to do? Or what's the first video you're going to play?
The first video I want to play, this is a song that we recorded yesterday, and it's by Kate Bush, and this song is called Cloud Bursting.
Is it Cloud Bursting or is it the other one?
Yeah, which one is it? Na na na, organ on, la 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 la. Yeah, Cloud Bursting.
Cloud Bursting.
All right, Cloud Bursting.
I still dream of organ on. Wake up crying, you're making rain and you're just in reach. When you and sleep escape me, you're like my yo-yo that glowed in the dark. What made it special made it dangerous, so I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. On top of the world, looking over the edge, you could see them coming. You look too small in their big black car to be a threat to the men in power. I hid my yo-yo in the garden. I can't hide you from the government, so I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun's coming out. Oh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun's coming out, like the sun's coming out, the sun's coming out, the sun's coming out.
And that was Cloud Bursting, written by Kate Bush. Should we just keep going with Kate Bush songs?
Yeah, why not?
All right. This next song is a song we wrote. We didn't write. We covered. It was also by Kate Bush, and this one is called there's Cloud Bursting. This is no good.
No, it's pretty good. Keep going.
All right. This song is called, why can't I remember?
I don't know, because we're not looking at the song.
Yeah, you're right.
When I was a child, running in the night, afraid of what might be, hiding in the dark, hiding in the street, and of what was following me. The hounds of love were hunting. I've always been a coward, and I don't know what's good for me. So here I go, it's coming for me through the trees. And help me, someone, help me, please. And take my shoes off and throw them in the lake, and I'll be 2 steps on the water. I found a fox caught by the docks. He let me take him in my hands. His little heart, it beats so fast, and I'm ashamed of running away from nothing real. I just can't deal with this. I'm still afraid to be there among your hounds of love. I've always been a coward, and I don't know what's good for me. Here I go, don't let me go, hold me down. It's coming for me through the trees. And help me, someone, help me, please. And take my shoes off and throw them in the lake, and I'll be 2 steps on the water. Do you know what I really need? Do you know what I really need? I need la 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 love, love, love.
Oh, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. Oh, sweetie, that was great.
Welcome back to the show. My name is Michael Lyons, and I'm here with Emily Aubrey.
BOOZHOO, Gapkina Awiya.
And today, what do you want to do?
How about, let's see, do you want to talk about some of your books?
Not really.
You want to talk about Ojibwe language and culture?
No, I'm really sick of that.
Are you? Yeah.
I know this whole podcast was kind of set up to do Ojibwe words of the day and phrases of the day and stuff.
Yeah.
But I've come to a point where I'm like, why? Who cares?
What do you mean? It's our culture.
Yeah. Our culture. I just don't care anymore.
I know.
Um,
You want to talk about that?
Not really. You look so cute today.
Oh, get out of here.
All right. You know what? Let's go ahead and record Landslide.
All right.
This song is by Fleetwood Mac, and it's called Landslide.
I took my love and I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and then I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above, and can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I sail through the changes in my life? I don't know. I don't know. Well, I've been afraid of changing because I've built my life around you, and time makes you bolder. Even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Hey, I'm getting older too. So take this love, take it down. You climb a mountain and you turn around, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, the landslide will bring us down, down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, the landslide will bring us down, down. The landslide will bring us down.
That was really good, Michael. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons on the guitar. And, let's see what else. Hey, if you want to support the show, click the thumbs up button and subscribe, I guess. You know, I almost hate to say that.
What do you mean?
Well, like every video, and most videos are just like 2 or 3 minutes long, but everyone's got to say, oh, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share, you know, sign up, blah, 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 blah. Like we've never been on YouTube before. Nobody needs to be told to hit like and subscribe. I mean, if you want to watch us, obviously you know what to do. But, you know.
Yeah, I know.
All right. Well, should we try to put that together as something? Yeah. Okay. Hey, everyone. Oh, you know what else we could do?
What's that?
I could read a comment.
Want to read a comment from the viewers?
Yeah. Let's see. No comments.
Yeah, okay.
All right. And leave a comment. All right. Anyway. Thank you for watching. Miigwech gonna wabi egg. And thank you for listening. Miigwech bizendawi egg. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hoa. Aha. Yeah, 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 yeah.
I would be king, and you will be my queen. Though nothing would keep us together, we could beat them forever and ever. Then we could be heroes just for one day. what you say. And you, I wish you could swim like the dolphin, like dolphins can swim. 'Cause we're lovers, and that is a fact. Yes, we're lovers, and that is that. Though nothing would keep us together, we could beat them forever and ever. Then we could be heroes just for one day. What you say? Oh, we could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. Just for one day. We're nothing, and no one will help us. Maybe we're lying. Oh, you better not stay. I think you should go home. It's better that way. What you say? Oh, we could be heroes just for one day. We could be heroes just for one day. We could be